Hi guys, it's Katya from PC Harmony, Harrogate Computers and Web Design. Today I want to show you why the DNS can sometimes stop your internet from behaving properly, updates from pushing through, and what to do about it. So if you are having internet issues that don't seem to go away, certain websites aren't uploading, sometimes it's not your Wi-Fi or internet, but it's your DNS. So the DNS is like the phone book of the internet. It translates websites' names into IP addresses. If your provider's DNS is slow or not responding or has blocked certain websites, then they can fail to load. With your provider, I mean your internet provider, so that could be Virgin, BT, Sky, whoever you pay your monthly bill to. Now a quick fix is to switch your DNS from your internet service provider to Google's. The Google settings are quite easy to remember, 8888 and 8844. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in the search box, if you just search for network, view network connections, and now pick the one that's connected. So you can see I've got several that aren't connected, like my wireless, but I'm connected by cable. So double click the one that does not have the red cross on it. And that gets you into the settings, and we want to go into the properties. Now this is actually an admin feature, so if you are just having a local account, you might have to enter your admin password to allow you having the privileges of making that change. Once you're in the Ethernet properties, Wi-Fi properties, whatever your network connection is, you just double click on Internet Protocol version number 4, which brings up two boxes. Now the one we're interested in is the use the following DNS server addresses. So if you click on this, it will then allow you to enter Google's DNS, which is 888 and 8844. Now we want to confirm that by pressing on the OK button. And OK. Close. Sometimes you'll have to restart your computer for it to come into effect. Other times it comes into effect straight away. But you are now using Google's DNS servers. And that's all there's to it. Thank you.